Hey, what's up, guys? This is over here. Welcome back to another video. Today, this is episode 5, and we're going to be setting up, not really setting it up, but we need them in our server, you know? Like, some of these programs are like World Edit, World Guard. You're going to be using it a lot. So, this is new World Edit. Instead of typing World Edit plugin, you just type this FAWE fast async Word Edit. You should find it, and we're going to be downloading this one. It takes you to an external website. Just follow it. Don't worry, it's not a virus. I have it on my PC. Trust me, please. And you have also the World Guard plugin. This program is slightly complicated, but it's awesome, and it was gonna help you out a lot. So you want to download WorldGuard as well, okay? And we have Multiverse Core plugin. Okay, so when you a lot of tabs opened. So when you have more than one world, maybe you have survival, factions, Skyblock, Skywar, many worlds, right? So you need multiverse core. It allows you to teleport, set up new worlds, and yeah, I have a video about it on my channel. Oops, I click download. Okay, I have like 10 multiverse cores on my PC. But yeah, whatever. So basically, once you install this is the final plugin. It's optional, but some players told me about it, and I thought it was cool, so I'll share it with you. It's called Better Bed. Okay, oopsie. This is literally wait, Better Bed Company. Okay, so this is Better Bed. This is the plugin we're looking for. But before we download it, you'll see over here. Read with me. So last updated April 20, 2015. So that's 5 years old. So, but you'll find over here a great developer. 1.0 dev builds are available here. Open this link, and yeah, last successful artifacts. Betterbeds.jar. You can just download it. I have a lot of better beds on my PC. And yeah, I'll explain what it does quickly. Like you can set a specific number where when, like, for example, half of the server is sleeping, it becomes day, and you can remove staff. So you add permission to a staff, so he acts like a ghost, so he doesn't have to sleep. Players can sleep, and it becomes day, so no one can keep spamming the staff, for example, hey, go sleep please, something like that. And yeah, that's basically it for these programs. So let's get in game, we'll talk about them. Oops, and I forgot grief protection. I almost forgot it. Oh, it's grief prevention. Well, okay. So you wanna download this. This is basically a plugin where you claim protection, and yeah, but it has some annoying features. I'll talk about it in a second. But just download it, and yeah, let's move to its problems. Okay, so we're in game currently. Type in slash plugins, check your plugins, everything green, working good. Okay, so I've created my world. So how do you do this? I'm not gonna create it because it kicked me when I created it. So I type in here mv create. Wait, let's type mv create. It helps you out, by the way. Really good plugin. Flat room or its name, like you can name it Dova, whatever you want. Normal, negative T flat. Yeah, you press enter, you create it. To TP, you type slash mvtp and the world name. Okay, so now that's out of the way, I want you to notice that double bracket next next to admin. You see this thing? Yeah. So why is it here exactly? It's because MV. So it has this option to display before your prefix the world you're currently in. Okay, so we'll get in that in configuration, and I'll remove it. And remember when I said the grief prevention, it has a lot of weird stuff. So I'll try out something. So I love spamming. Okay, let's spam. Okay, I'm banned. I'm You see, so that's a problem. Like, it's actually a problem. I'm permabanned. I can't even enter again. So we'll fix that in config as well. And yeah, so let's move to the config. Okay guys, so now we're in the config section. I opened my plugin. So it's called Grave Prevention Data. You want to open it. You have some banned words, you know. Oh, okay. You can add and you can remove. I didn't add this list, by the way. It's like automatic. So okay, so when I open this config and you scroll, you can read through them, but this plugin I'm not going to be talking about it specifically. For example, you can edit the claim blocks acquired per hour. So 100, 2000. Feel free to change it. But what I'm looking for is line 60. It's called spam. Okay, so that's enabled. Yes, it's enabled. You want to make it false. And once you make it false, remember to save. Once you make it false, you don't have to read through all of this because it's false. All of this is disabled. Save it and click out of here. And if you have a server like me, just type in here restart or just close it and open it. But I'm going to be talking about multiverse. So multiverse core config. It has a really simple config. So it has this prefix chat. Make it false, and once you make it false, this is cancelled out as well. Yeah, that's basically what I think of when I add these plugins. The better bed. Let's talk about it quickly. So this is the sleep percentage. Let me explain it quickly. So this is like 50%, okay, which is equivalent to 0.5. I hate math, but I'm good at math, sadly. So if you set it to 1, that's 100%. You can set it to whatever you want, 0.2% or 20% of the server. So basically, if 20% of the server sleeps, it becomes day. If you set it to 50%, if 50% of the players that are in the server sleep, it will become day. So yeah, let's save it on 0.5. And that's ghost messages, edit them. It's really easy, simple. And yeah, do we have anything else that we added? This is a world edit. Do you have to edit it that much? I usually don't, unless you want to add schematics, and then you'll have to put the schematic file inside of it. And world guard, uh, I didn't know they had a file, dude. What you're talking about? And yeah, so basically, once you're done, as I said, type in here restart, okay? And yeah, the server will be up and hopefully these problems will be gone. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next episode.